Hello everybody, how are you? Well, today I shall share with you how I do my first video on YouTube. Initially I thought it was very difficult to do a video, but after trying it out for the first time using my handphone, I've done everything on my handphone when I first uploaded my video yesterday. It is so simple. Now, you can do it, I can do it, everybody can do it. There's no big secret about it. So I will share with you what you need. Okay, first thing, you will need a mobile phone. One that has a camera function as well as a sound recording function. Secondly, you need to have a good reasonable internet upload speed. Alright. Thirdly, you need to have YouTube installed on your phone. Now once you have these three elements, you can already start recording your first video. Oh yeah, just now you saw the list of items you need in order to start your video. One more thing I forgot is that you must of course have a Gmail account, which indirect means you have also a YouTube account, and this must be verified, because if you don't get your YouTube account verified, you cannot upload your thumbnails. That's one of the requirements of YouTube when you want to upload videos and thumbnails. So you will ask, what kind of content do you like to make? Well, basically, the content is up to you. What you are passionate about, what you like to talk about. If you like to travel, then do a travel vlog. If you want to cook, well, do something about cooking. So the content depends on you. What attracts you and attracts your audience to you. So try and experiment. Do R&D until you find that you can find the perfect balance to match your content and what you like to do versus your audience, what they would like to see. Okay, once you have decided what your content is about or your idea is about, you need to do some kind of planning and how to get your ideas together. That means do some kind of a storyboard, right? So that when you do a few videos of certain sections, then you need to merge it and so on. So you need to plan how you want to do that. So some planning is necessary when you want to do your content video. Okay, so now you've done your video or some series of it, parts of it. Now you want to upload to a video editor. Now through this video editor, you will either do some additions to your video, you do some merging, and then do some editing to it. Editing like putting in text, putting in sound. What else you want to do? You may want to crop the video, put some highlights, effects on it. Okay, so once you have done all that editing on the video, next is that you need to save it. Once you saved it already, then you need to go to do your thumbnail. So you do your thumbnail. The thumbnails is just a small image file which you kind of put it, also upload with your video in order to attract people to view your videos. So these thumbnails you need to do is to go to an apps, a thumbnail maker or creator which you have downloaded, and create that thumbnail itself. Okay, after you finish your video review and you're happy with the final video itself, then you created your thumbnail, also you're happy with it. Next step is to upload it to YouTube. Now there are two ways you can do that. You can upload to either through YouTube itself. There's an option, a plus option somewhere on the phone down there at the bottom, or you can upload it through your video editor. Some of the video editors has a connection to YouTube or link to YouTube in order to do that upload. Before the upload, you will have to select your video, and YouTube will ask you to insert the video title and the video description. Now you also can add in more, like this video is for the public viewing, and also put in text. Now this text will enable the YouTube viewers to search for your video using the text. So sometimes you got to put some clever text in order to make sure that your video comes up or pops up when there's a search done on this text itself. Then after that you've done all that, save the video at YouTube. Now you've uploaded your video to YouTube. The next step, of course, is to link your thumbnail to the YouTube video. So you have to upload the thumbnail as well, and you have to do this through a YouTube Studio. Now YouTube Studio you can download from Play Store, and once you download it, you add in your Gmail account in order to call up your channel videos. So once you have your video there, you selected your video, you can again re-edit your title, your description, your text onto it. Then after that, through the edit function, you also can upload your thumbnails. So you select your thumbnails from the gallery, your phone gallery, where you save your thumbnail, your created thumbnail. The thumbnail is the last piece of file you need to upload in order to link the thumbnail to the video. So once you've uploaded the thumbnail through the YouTube Studio and saved the whole thing, then your video is ready to be viewed online. So now you see, it's so easy to upload a video to YouTube. Just know the basic steps: create, edit, upload, save and view. It's that simple, and you can do all this on the handphone. no problems. This is what I did. So I'm now sharing with you the simple way of uploading videos to YouTube. So if you do like this instructional video, please do subscribe to my channel, and of course hit the like button. Then I shall make more videos, instructional videos regarding other things for your viewing pleasure. Till then, bye!